Hey guys, welcome to our 8th day of the 12 Days of Christmas series. Today's video is inspired by Christmas gnomes and Santa. We will be creating Christmas grab bags that will include this little activity as well as some sour candy and chocolates. So let's just jump right in. Now what's fun about these activity kits is that they include enough supplies for you to make 2 ornaments per bag. So here are the Santa bags that we will be stuffing all the goodies with, starting with the ornament kit, followed by a box of Myconites, which happen to be sour, as well as maybe 1 chocolate or candy per bag. On the right side, you will see a blue machine. That is the heat sealer. Stay tuned so you can see how I close up each of these bags, which will be a fun item for any birthday party at Christmas. So once you have all of the items in the bag, go ahead and push everything to the bottom. Make sure the top is even, and then we're going to place it on the brown strip. Keep in mind the brown strip is not actually hot, it is the top. Then you're going to hold that down for about 3 to 5 seconds. And as you can see, it is nicely sealed. Not only are these great for any birthday party during Christmas, but this can also be used for school events or Christmas Day with the family. Now let's go ahead and fill all of our Santa bags with each ornament kit, and then we're gonna add the Myconites and the chocolate and our candy. So once all of the items are in the bag, we are going to push everything down as much as we can so we have enough space to go ahead and heat the top. You don't want to heat it too close to the edge because then it could come apart. So here we will place it on the brown strip and make sure everything is lined up and even at the top. And then you will place the heat down for about 3 to 5 seconds. There is a red button that tells you when it should come up. That varies according to how thick or thin each plastic bag is. So here I'm doing the next one, and of course we are doing 8 because today is the 8th day of Christmas. So let's go ahead and finish it up.